Imagine this, the networks are down, 911 gives you a busy signal, and you hear screams on your street. The only thing separating your family from the chaos outside is 4 centimeters of compressed wood and 2 tiny screws barely holding on. You have $10 and 15 minutes before the guests reach your house. Today I'll show you an engineering hack that will turn your essentially interior door into an anti-assault barrier. If you don't do this now, tomorrow may be too late. Most of you live behind decorations. The standard screw in your door hinge is only 2.5 centimeters long. It's holding onto the meat of the door frame. In an apocalypse, that's called a single-use entrance. One pry with a crowbar and you're defenseless. The weak link is the strike plate. See that little metal piece the lock goes into? When kicked, it doesn't break. It just flies out together with a chunk of wood because the screws are shorter than your little finger. But we have a secret weapon inside the wall itself. We're going to anchor into the building's structural frame, something the burglar doesn't even realize is there. In a post-apocalypse, we don't have a budget for armored doors. But we do have physics. A standard 50 by 100 pine beam inside the wall can withstand shear loads of several tons. We'll use 4-inch, 100 mm structural lag bolts. By replacing just 2 screws in each hinge with these spears, we transfer the load from the flimsy frame to the skeleton of the entire house. Now, to kick in the door, they'd have to take down the whole wall. And that's noise, time, and extra effort that looters won't bother with. How do you actually do all this? First, the hinges, remove the center screws. Drive in the 100 mm bolts. Hear that sound? That's the bolt biting into the load-bearing support. Now the door and the house are one. Now the lock, throw out the standard plate. Install a $5 steel strip. Long bolts at a 45-degree angle, that way we catch the maximum amount of wood fibers. Look at this. A blow strong enough to take out a regular door along with the jamb. Ours doesn't even budge. $10. Zero chance for those outside. In a world that's collapsing, your safety is your responsibility. If that $10 can save your life, it's the best investment in history. If you've already started packing a go bag, add a pack of long screws to it and like this video. Subscribe to the channel, here we reveal survival methods and ways to reinforce your shelter every 2 weeks. Be prepared so you don't have to be afraid.